It's me, Jade, and welcome back to another Japanese lesson. Today we're going to learn all about the particle mo. Let's go. Okay, so mo is easily translated as to, also, as well. However, it doesn't come in the same place as it could do in English sentences. For example, you can never start a sentence with mo. Also, blah blah blah. You could never do that in the Japanese sense. Mo needs to come after the noun that you are comparing to something else. This is the basic formula you're going to follow. A wa x des. A is x. B mo x des. B is also x. B2 is x. For example, Yamada-san wa Nihonjin desu. Yamada-san wa Nihonjin desu. Yamada-san, Mr. Yamada, wa is Nihonjin desu, Japanese. Takamoto-san mo Nihonjin desu. Takamoto-san mo Nihonjin desu. Takamoto-san, Mr. Takamoto, mo is also Nihonjin desu, Japanese. Kore wa tokei desu. Kore wa tokei desu. This is a watch. Kore mo tokei desu. Kore mo tokei desu. This too is a watch. Kore wa tokei desu. This is a watch. Kore mo tokei desu. This too is a watch. Mo 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 mo. Okay, you cannot use mo to compare two things that are not the same. For example, in English I could say, I am a girl, I am also British. You couldn't use mo in that case because you're not comparing two things as the same. I'm saying I'm one thing, I'm also another thing, but these two things are different. So I couldn't use mo in that type of sentence. The sentence that you're always going to be using mo is when you're saying, me too. Watashi mo, watashi mo, me too. Watashi means I, but in certain phrases it also translates as me. For example, that one right there. If you're a guy, you can exchange watashi for boku. Boku mo, me too. Or ore, ore mo, me too. For girls, we're mostly going to be using watashi. If you wanted to say it in a very cutesy way though, girls, you can also just say atashi, atashi mo, but it's very childlike and cutesy. So it depends what kind of vibes you want to convey. And yeah, I think that about sums it up for mo. Went on a little bit of a tangent there at the end as well, but it's always fun to learn extra Japanese stuff, isn't it? If you enjoyed this lesson, show me with a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below with any questions you might have for me, and subscribe to see more. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to negate sentences. Instead of this is, this isn't. See you there. Bye guys! Mwah!